Today's video is sponsored by the guys over at WoollyWormit. We're going to be testing out two of their products. We have the wheel brush and we have the wash mitt. And for testing, we have a Nardo Gray Audi RS7. It is not my former RS7. It looks very similar to my RS7, but it is not it. But it does have the same HRE wheels that my Audi S4 had. I've actually been using both these products since early this year. Well, not that much super early this year because it was still cold and frozen and snowy in Michigan. I didn't wash my car much, just in those like drive-in coin-operated self-spray car washes. Regardless, I think washing wheels is one of the worst parts of cleaning your car, especially if you have a more complex wheel design of a lot of spokes, and especially if you have a car like the RS7 where the brakes just put out a ton of brake dust. It's like the wheels are always dirty. And if you look at the wheels on this RS7 right now, the wheels are filthy, which is absolutely perfect to test out both of these products. Here's the premise of this wheel brush. There is no actual handle, so you just grab anywhere on it, the whole thing. It's covered in this really soft microfiber, like little appendages. So it's soft and it'll protect your wheels. There's no metal or hard plastic that could scratch your wheels in the finish. And the other really cool thing is it's flexible and it bends and retains shape. So you can bend it like that and get it to reach around behind spokes, in between different crevices and stuff. So that's pretty nifty. It's patented design. The other really cool thing is on the back of this, we have this little foam insert that gets attached to the attachment. There's a little key on this little nub on the end that will attach, and this is for cleaning your lug nuts. So no more wrapping a microfiber around your fingers and trying to get in that crevice. They have different foam inserts that were in this box. There's a couple more in there, and you can stick them on there and it cleans your lug nuts, which I will demonstrate in a bit. And also, you can take this entire microfiber cover off of the brush itself. Whoops, pull the back end off. And then you can see the inside here. It's got this like rubber plastic molded exterior for protection. And then inside it has a metal core that is flexible, will bend and retain the shape. That is how you can do that kind of thing. Maintains its shape. You can also take off this microfiber cover to clean on its own. The guys behind these products call it the dynamic dual. So you have the wheel brush for getting in between the spokes and the barrel of the wheel itself. And then you have the wash mitt, which is designed to be shaped like the state of Michigan. Just kidding. It's supposed to be like your hand. So this is actual thumb in the wash mitt, which I had never used one before, and I discovered how handy it is. So when you put it on your hand, it actually will remain on your thumb, so it doesn't like roll around like some of the other bigger ones that are just a big square and you kind of get all bundled up in one thing. You actually get a lot of extra dexterity too, so you can kind of wrap around this. I use this one for cleaning the wheels, and I have a second one for cleaning the car, and it's amazing how having the thumb allows you kind of go around mirrors and wash it off, and it stays on your hands, you do the front and the back. And then for the wheels itself, I use this one to clean the face of the wheels off after I've used this other one to get the barrel and the spokes. We'll start off by cleaning the barrel. It's thin, so it'll fit between the barrel of the wheel itself and the brake rotor and the brake caliper. And most times, you can see, I'm gonna do that motion, get the actual barrel of the wheel, and it reaches right in there. Holy crap, there's a lot of brake dust. Man, these wheels were filthy. Oh gosh. Go one at a time. But yeah, see, actually I didn't try on this. Oh, it does fit in between these RS7 brake calipers and then the wheel barrel itself too. And then this is what I actually really like and I think is really unique. What I do is I bend the corner around so it creates this kind of hook shape. Get this, and I start doing the wheel spokes. So you can see it's wrapping around the back edge of the spoke. You're getting both the side of the face and the rear of the face. And eventually I'll get to the front. So we'll go around like that. Now we got the lug nuts in there. This is the back side of the foam. I've got it attached. Get it nice and soapy, and then you just set it in there. Ooh, I can literally see the brake dust coming out. Ew. Man, these wheels must not have been clean in a while. Andrew, you've neglected cleaning your wheels. And it's nice, it fits right in there. I'll rotate it. And we have hit all 5 of the lug nuts. So now for the second part of the so-called dynamic duel, we'll get it nice and soapy. We can hit the center, we'll get that center cap. We'll do the edge of the wheel face of the rim itself, the front of the spokes. Oh boy. And just to make sure I didn't miss any segments, go around, and you can see the dexterity of the thumb means I can kind of grab the spoke and just make sure I'm getting all the surfaces. I've got 2 of these wash mitts, one for the body of the car, one for wheels. I've got the wheel brush itself. They've been great. I used them on my own RS7. I'm using Andrew's RS7. I used it to wash my truck, which took forever because it has like twice the surface area of an RS7. But this wheel brush is really great for cleaning behind the spokes, in between the spokes, and then the barrel. And then the mitt itself, because of this little thumb area, gives you added dexterity. It stays on your hand better. It's really nice to clean the whole surface of your vehicle, but also the front face of the wheels. I've loved it. It's been really cool talking to John and Scott, the guys behind these products. They spent 3 years developing this thing. A lot of cool innovations, the issues they were trying to address, the problems they faced, how they decided to address it, understanding the lug nut cleaner, how it's adaptable, there's different size ones too, how the cover comes off, it bends. It's just really handy. They're willing to offer you guys a pretty cool deal. So if you use my discount code EddieX, when you buy one of these, you'll get one of these for free. Buy the WoollyWormit Wheel Brush and you get a wash mitt for free. So use the link below in the description. Thanks.